Hey everyone, Alexandru here from Advanced Installer, and today I want to show you one of the most powerful features that were added in Advanced Installer, and that's the analysis engine for MSIX packages. Now, we all know and work with the Microsoft MSIX packaging tool. There are some pains in the process, something like missing shortcuts, broken file associations, common registrations that don't even work, environment variables that silently disappear, and all the little things that make an app almost work but not quite. So now, if I open up, for example, this 7-zip package, as you can see, I already have the analysis already opened here. But if we go into the view ribbon, you have it here, you can open it. So what does this do actually? Well, if we click on the analysis, it scans the package registries, files, and manifest, and automatically detects high-level components that MSIX packages created with Microsoft MSIX packaging tool or other tools usually miss. We see that the app execution alias is missing, some ProgIDs and file type associations are not included in the manifest, and we still have some missing environment variables which are not there. All that we need to do is to click on Fix All or Fix Individual Issues if you like. And by the way, you have a live view. So for example, if I go into declarations, you can see that I don't have those program IDs there, right? If I'm going to click on Fix All, as you can see, we already have the file type associations added, and the proper COM components have already been added into the MSIX file. Now all that's left is just digitally sign your package inside the digital signature, click on Save, and the package will be completely usable after that. Now let's look at something a little bit more interesting, and that's the Brave browser. If I go to files and folders, you will see that on the desktop I have a shortcut, right, which somehow points to user app data, blah blah, etc. Now, what happens when I run the analysis? Advanced Installer will detect that we have an execution alias which is missing from the manifest, right? No problem, let's fix it. And live, Advanced Installer will detect that you have another issue here, and that you have some missing shortcuts from the package, right? Because the following shortcut, file referencing, blah blah, does not correspond with something that's defined in the package. If we click on Fix Now and check it live here, we can see that now the Brave browser shortcut has the proper target, has the proper icon, and basically everything is fixed. Again, with this one as well, we need to add a digital signature, save it, and run it. This is a sandbox environment that I created. I installed the Brave browser with the suggested, let's say, fixes from the analysis, and as you can see, now we have a nice desktop shortcut with the icons and everything set, and if we double click on it, it opens up and you can run it normally. Thanks for watching, and if you want more Advanced Installer deep dives, just hit the subscribe button. See you!